What's up guys, Ryan here. Today I just wanted to make a short video talking about what shirt I believe you should be selling online on your e-commerce stores and websites and wherever you're doing sales. Now it's a little bit crazy for me to even be making this video, at least in my own mind, because it should be a no-brainer. I feel like you would just go with the cheapest shirt as long as it has high reviews, right? But I see people talking about their favorite shirts on like Facebook, Reddit, YouTube, and a lot of people recommend shirts not called the Gildan 64,000. So if you go to Printful and go to all shirts and scroll down, you'll see that the cheapest shirt they offer for you to print on, meaning the shirt with the largest profit margin, is the Gildan 64. Did I say 100? It's 64,000. And it has a 4.5-star review rating, which is about as high as you're going to see for a product with 134 reviews. And it's legitimately one of my favorite shirts. Like, I'm wearing one right now that says RyanHogue.com. Sorry, my green screen software, it looks like it's catching it, making me see through. You can see it's a pretty like form-fitting shirt. It makes your muscles look big, but it's also truly a unisex shirt. Now, on my Etsy shop, and this is what matters more than me flexing my muscles, showing you how fitted it is, but on my Etsy shop, where I have 2,104 sales, this is almost exclusively the shirt that I sell. I'm not really selling other shirts unless someone requests a youth size or a female specific fit or a tall tee. I think those are the 3 requests that I've fielded. Other than that, it's just this. And I have on 100, and I can check real quick if you really care, 151 customer feedback reviews, 5-star average on 2,104 sales. Selling primarily a mix of hats and the Gildan 64,000. So, and if you're wondering what the other shirt is that people recommend, it's the Bella Canvas 3001 is the most common. But let's just take a look at the math real quick. 8.95 divided by 12.95. So do you want to pay 31% more money base cost for a t-shirt? I'm only speaking from my personal perspective and experience. I'm not informed as a customer when it comes to buying shirts. I feel like a very small percentage of the population is. And that small percentage might say, oh, well, of course the Bella Canvas 3001 is a better shirt. And yeah, everybody should be willing to pay 30% more for that shirt. Me personally, like, I have no clue. All I know is that, like, I love this shirt. Genuinely, it's not just that it's fitted, but, like, it's comfortable. It says right here in the title, soft style. And it's genuinely soft. I love it. You can see here that the, what do they call it? Sport gray, I believe. Looks great with black text on it. You can print on the front and you can print on the back. And I believe you can print on the sleeves. So they offer it in up to 4 colors. So this is the sport gray. This is the black. And as you can see, my green screen software is making me transparent on the letters. Kind of cool. This is what the white version looks like. Again, very nicely fitted, soft, truly a unisex shirt. Haven't received a complaint from a woman yet. You're seeing me wear it, but I promise this fits women as well. And then last, guys, the navy blue. So I mean, if you're trying to promote something like I am with RyanHogue.com shirts, which I'm not trying to sell, I just figured, hey, why not? It's my own brand and it's my name. This is a great place to start. It's literally $8.95 per shirt. And if you're like me and you want to create your own brand, you can always just go into Printful. And guys, if you're not signed up for Printful, please use my link in the description. Get started. Printful, it's the best decision you're ever going to make. It's the best print-on-demand production partner, easily. And let me show you a nice little advantage that you get if you use Printful. You can click New Order, hit Sample Order. You get a 20% discount. It says 2 orders per month, but like in my account that's more established, I think I get 4. And up to 3 products per order, which I think I get 4 products per order. And they probably just increase. Yeah, it says learn how you get more. Anyways, you can do sample orders month after month and make your own branded stuff for 20% off plus free shipping. What's not to love? So guys, don't overthink this one. Again, my Etsy shop, 2,104 sales, average 5-star review, 151 feedback received. Just use the Gildan 64,000. It's amazing. Anyways, if you like this video, please hit that like button. Please consider subscribing. If you have questions, comments, feedback, hit me up. and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also, my Facebook group is a great place to learn from me, learn from others, ask questions, share what's working, etc. I invite you to apply. And that's it. So I'll see you at the next video, guys.